English Grade 3 Lesson 12. Houses of Animals. I am a lion. I live in den. I am a horse. I live in a stable. I am a bee. I live in a hive. I am a bird. I live in a nest. I am a fish. I live in a pond. I am a hen. I live in a coop. I am a rabbit. I live in a burrow. Read carefully and fill in the blanks. An elephant, giraffe, camel. I am big. I have a trunk. I eat leaves. Who am I? I am an. I am tall. I have a hump. I live in a desert. Who am I? I am a. I have a long neck. I have spots. I eat leaves. Who am I? I am a. Answers. I am big. I have a trunk. I eat leaves. Who am I? I am an elephant. I am tall. I have a hump. I live in a desert. Who am I? I am a camel. I have a long neck. I have spots. I eat leaves. Who am I? I am a giraffe. Meaning in singular. Meaning in Tamil. Match with the animal sound. Cows, hens, horses, cats, ducks, dogs. Bark, neigh, quack, cluck, mew, moo. Answers. Cows moo. Hens cluck. Horses neigh. Cats mew. Ducks quack. Dogs bark. Meaning. Study the questions and answers. How are you? I am fine. What is this? This is a chair. Where are you going? I am going to the school. What are you doing? I am eating. How is my new shirt? It's beautiful. When are you going to the shop? I am going to the shop on Monday. Meaning.